Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video in this crypto bear market.
Mayday. Mayday.
How you doing, Maurizio?
Doing great.
Man, what do you mean doing great? Did you see the price?
I'm loving this, man. All the tourists, shush. You know?
Okay.
It's the market is testing who we are at the moment. So glad to be one of the diamond hands here, right?
Yeah. Well, I don't know, man. It's a little bit sad, right? Because we want to see more upward price action, right?
Yes, that will be sweet.
But
You know, it's we're still in the 5x5, right?
Yes.
No matter what, always in the
Exactly. I mean, here's the thing, right? The market will go up, the market will go down, and we just have to live with it, right? And hey, you know what? We had a little bit of an up situation, right? Got us to 100K, so that's something, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's something.
Yeah.
And so, we are doing well for Bitcoin because, hey, it's dropping from, it's now 88K, which, a year ago would have been nice to see 88K.
Yeah, I mean, you guys wanted a sale. Well, there you have it, right? So it's a good opportunity to buy. That's for sure. I mean, that's what I'm doing. No financial advice. I'm loading the truck.
So, yeah. Well, anyways, guys, we're going to be doing, going over the news, right, today, and then go into the degen section again. We won't be going too full balls on degen, but a little bit.
A little bit.
Because, the market's a little bit down, right? Maybe we will go over some older coins and maybe buy something, and not something old, but not something new, right? Some solid meme coins. Solid memes.
Solid memes. Well, we might have to change the strategy a little bit. Because like you said, meme coins are getting slaughtered. So
Absolutely spanked. So
we have some data, so stay tuned because we're going to show some charts.
Exactly. So make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. Head over to Mr. M's podcast, right? And also subscribe there. You're growing real fast. Wow, look at that. 14.4.
Yeah, 14.4. I uploaded a new video this morning actually with Roger. Really good if you wonder what happens in China with Bitcoin and in India. You can check out the video. Really, really good. I really enjoy talking to Roger. And I brushed up my Mandarin. So that's really cool. Yeah.
A lot of cool people are wanting to attend this exclusive event at the Financial Summit. And I'm told that there's only 8 slots left. So, dude, it's only 2 weeks from now. So
it's going fast.
Exactly. So, guys, make sure you sign up and enjoy. And because there's going to be a lot of cool people there, right? A lot of traders and a lot of YouTubers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm excited about it. Looking forward to it.
Exactly. So
that's for sure. This is like
as the price goes down, we're going to buy the dip, right?
I bought the dip, the actual dip, the dip of the dip, the dip of the dip, the dip.
Dippy dip. Yeah, as this guy Eric Trump says, buy the dip. We're like, dude, we did that.
Yeah,
and we're getting slaughtered here, man. Slaughtered.
Exactly.
Slaughtered.
Another good one is like, with what money?
Exactly.
Buy the dip with what?
Maybe we should get the gold starter pack from the Fort Knox, right?
This is hilarious.
Because that will probably, help our what's it called? Our balance sheet. At least we can pretend we're rich, like the American government. Say, well, we've got gold bars here. Look, hold it. Look.
Yeah, spray faster.
See, I'm holding gold. That was the last audit.
Exactly.
That was the last audit, right?
Last audit.
It was like, look, I'm holding gold.
Hilarious. Do you think that Elon and the Doge are going to actually go and check if Fort Knox has gold inside of the cow?
Here's the thing.
What do you think?
What are they going to do when they find out there is no gold?
Buy the kit. They'll buy the kit right there. That's it. That's the plan.
Right? Because here's the thing. You don't make it, you don't obfuscate and make it complicated to find out if there's gold. When you don't obfuscate, and you think about it and you say, okay, well, what other parts of the government is should be, hidden? But it's not. Oh, the printing of money. You can go through, right? Walk through the Federal Reserve, watch them printing them out, right? Watch them doing that. Hold some notes, right? Go through the tour, right? It's fully transparent that they're printing money for you. But if you want to see that they actually have the gold, oh no, we counted it 70 years ago.
Yeah. It's so good.
Last 70 years ago.
I like Master goes, buy the kit, not the dip. Exactly.
Oh, damn. Wow. That is so funny. That is so funny how that's the case with gold, right? So obviously we have to admit it's not there, right? Because
it's not there. I mean,
because even the soldiers guarding the goddamn thing saying, I'm guarding the fact there's nothing here, man.
Yeah, they'll probably open the door. Yeah, it's all good. Close the door.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh,
You
good,
know.
guys. Just don't go in. It's fine.
Yeah. You know that's what Elon Musk and Trump is going to do. Because there's, I mean, here's the thing. It will collapse the confidence of the dollar.
Yeah, the economy.
Right. And yes, I get it. There's a lot of things going on in the gold market right now that may be a sign of the beginning of a collapse, right? So it is a sign of the times, right? So they might just say, well, we know it's coming anyway, so it might be coming anyway. So that's why we're here, right? That's why people already knew it was coming, and that's why people are buying gold and taking possession of gold at an unprecedented rate.
Yeah.
So
and it's not like the Bank of England is sending gold to the US. No, this is not happening.
no.
No suspicious there.
No.
All good, guys.
Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
All good.
Oh, and speaking about not looking.
Okay, so how do you think about this? Ash said, so you're telling me Bitcoin dumped from, basically, let's say more than $10,000 in today, and this is pure manipulation. Because nothing happened. There is no news, nothing, right? That made this $10,000 dump. So is this manipulation? Are we doing an inverse? No, it's actually not inverse. A Bart Simpson pattern closing the gap.
It is the market, right? The market is saying we are toast, right? So let that live with it, okay? Just live with it. 10K, Bitcoin, we're going down, right? We might come back up to the 91K, and then that's it. It is lights out. If you need to short this thing, really, we need to it is clear, right? We've actually hit the this one of these wicks here. We bought them at one of these wicks, this one or this one, and that was the only thing that was we're basically being held up by a thread.
Yeah.
Okay. And let me see if I put that on the chart here. Oops.
Which is overall healthy, right? It's better to do it now than do it later.
Yeah. So I think I did. In today's show, you see, this is the thread right here. This line, this blue line, right? Bitcoin held that line, that blue line, by a thread. And what is that? This link? Oh, is this one right here? It's that last wick that can say, well, if we break that, we're heading straight down to 73K. So that's what it says. That's what this. Breaking this thin line of support, which is very thin, right? And I'm telling you, since I watched it with Solana, we're breaking that next time. We might be pulling back up right now, but don't count on much of a retrace. We might come back up a little bit, and then out we go. Lights out, people. All the way down, and you have to live with that. So
at 77, there's a CME gap.
So I'm going to reverse some of my trades. I have a trade here that I was buying along, but I just realized that this thing really tanked below my below some key support areas, and it's not. It wasn't a wick down and back up. I was hoping for a whoosh and back up, and not.
I don't think the pain is over. I think we will go and retest lowers. I like this stack and relax. Exactly. That's exactly how I feel.
That's the best way to do it. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
the best way to do
well
it.
said. I agree. Stack and relax. This is interesting. I was asking you about this because I thought it was interesting, but you explained to me super well. So Bitcoin production cost is now at $95,000, which means it costs more than the value. So that's interesting there.
Yeah. So the reason why it's costing more, right, is really quite simple. You're thinking, well, how's this possible? How's it possible? The cost is going up so fast. Well, it's really quite simple. If price is super high from where the cost of production, what happens is, right, more people start to mine. And because the number of Bitcoin that's admitted for the miners is fixed in number, right, that means they have to share it, they have to split it. So, for example, let's just say Maurizio is the only one mining Bitcoin at 50K.
I'm getting on the 50K, right?
Yeah, and he's getting 50K, right, per month, right, for each Bitcoin. He gets one Bitcoin, right, every month, right? So now he's in profit, right, because, it's costing him 50K with electricity costs. And he's receiving, he's getting 95K, right?
I'm like happy.
Yeah. But what happens when I come in and start to mine with the same amount of equipment that he's got? So we split the reward, right? I'm getting a half a Bitcoin. He's getting a half a Bitcoin. Now, our costs are 50K a month. So now we're not making any money. Right?
Yep. Which is basically what's happening now, right?
And so that's what's happening, right? And so what happens is, well, he tries to okay, well, I'll just buy more equipment. And now the costs go up, but we still receive the same amount of Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So we end up spending more, right?
Getting the same amount.
Getting the same amount. So we end up spending 100K on electricity, thinking that we're going to get more, right? You spend 100K, I spend 100K, and we still get 50 Bitcoins. 0.5 Bitcoin. That's how it ends up, right? Costing much more. There it is.
That's why the cost is there. Do you know by top of your head how, does it happen often in the market? The cost of production is higher than the value of the coin itself, or it's just a phase?
It's always going back and forth, right? But we're gonna have miners leaving, right, as the price continues to drop, and then price drops, the cost per production drops with it, and then we're back at it again. That's just the way it is.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, thank you for explaining it so well, because I didn't know, guys. That's why I wanted Da Vinci to explain it again, because I've learned something today. So it's great. Double top, CME gap. That does look accurate.
Yeah, I talked about this sort of in my in the next video that's going to be published later on today. I already recorded it, and yeah, it is lights out for Bitcoin, which means it's lights out for everything. now.
Yeah. Everything is going even lower. When Bitcoin corrects, all the alts are getting slaughtered.
So we can expect this to go on for another month, and no altcoin season for you. That's what Bitcoin's saying.
But you know what? I like this. I know. I've said that in the beginning, but I'm actually very happy that we are retesting those lows now, because it means we are building a base. Because there will be at some point a bear market, right? So, like you said, we only had a trend.
Yeah, exactly. So the bear market if we reverse and pull up from this CME gap, and get back up to 100K and start moving higher, this could be our bottom.
Exactly, for the next bear market.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy this is happening now.
Exactly.
Because if we were gone up all the way to 120, 140, it would be a much bigger retracement. But also, that trade that you talked about would have been retested either way later on. So happy days, guys. This is great. And we've seen in the past, even in the bull market, we do correct 20 to 30%. So it's normal.
Yeah. So even the 30% correction, this would be a 30% correction, 32%, 33%. So we can see that and still be in a bull market here with Bitcoin. That's how Bitcoin works.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice. That's good. Dubai is playing with USDC and URC, I guess.
Euro
this
C.
stable coin for the euro.
Yes.
Great.
Okay, great.
There's no comment on that one.
Exactly. I mean, come on, man.
Yeah, this is
What
like-
happened to the what's it called? The AED stable coin. Like, come on.
I know.
Stop playing with that. Because I was loving it because I was thinking, oh man, you can deposit directly to your bank account with that. So
I think we see stablecoin playing a very important role. Something we're not talking about is the CBDCs. I think Tether and Euro, whatever, EURC, I think those are CBDCs in disguise.
exactly, yeah, exactly. They are because they talked about it in the central banks that hey, you know what? Let's let the free market decide. Because,
Exactly. Yeah.
because they will always just fight about what it's going to work like and how it's going to work. And so it's best if the free market decides and just puts it together the best way that the market actually wants. And that's smart. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this, man. Ooh, the overall meme coin market cap is down to 56 billion from 80.
Yeah. Well, with Solana down and most of them backed up by Solana.
So it makes sense, right? If you look at the chart, also you can see that there's been a lot of sideways before the meme extravaganza that pumped the old thing. So we're going back to the levels where Solana was supposed to be, right? Without the meme. So I think again, this is kind of. Are you expecting the meme season to be over, or?
Well,
to
I
be
was not.
diminishing?
I was expecting we get another pump here, right, into March, but it's not happening.
Yep.
I mean, unless Michael Saylor comes to save our day.
Well, he bought Bitcoin again.
But let's just see how well that is against. I don't know this.
Oh boy, this is brutal. Look at this, guys. 25th of February, so basically a couple of days ago, there was a $1 billion left. The ETFs, basically everyone have sold. Even BlackRock, which it doesn't happen often. The day before, on 24th, they sold basically the same amount, 160 million almost. And look at these numbers, man. $1 billion on 25th, on the 24th, 500. Those are, by the way, millions of dollars. So the ETFs have been bleeding out.
Yeah, weekends, tourists,
Exactly.
get out.
So I think we will see like a bit of a more gentle number today. It takes 24 hours, so we'll see later on tonight. But I think it's not going to be as heavy because the market kind of recovered a little bit as opposed to.
Yeah, I would wish they would recover from their
Ooh,
extreme fare.
this is the pussy index right there, 21.
Yeah, Jesus, man.
Damn. Okay, look, silver lining. Bitcoin is chilling at what, $88,000, and fear is the lowest I've seen in a while. This is actually great. Again, looking for the gold here, but
Yeah, you're looking for silver lining.
digging deep.
digging that silver out, man. Jesus.
Do you think this is gonna? I know. We say all the time. This time is different, but I mean, so far, if you actually pull up the next tab, which is the monthly return, this is the second. I mean, worst Q1 ever in history of Bitcoin, and February is the second. Like it's just really bad. Like if you look at there, look, 13% down. The worst was 33. I think it was 2014. There you go, 31. Sorry, in 2014. So February is supposed to be the second best month for Bitcoin. So things are changing.
I think we could end up beating this out. We have enough time to end up beating this out.
It's become a new record.
Oh,
It's yeah.
damn!
I mean, February ain't over.
Hell, damn! That would be
Sweet.
yeah. If you like buying dips.
Yeah. It's, that would be an opportunity.
Yeah,
To say the least. So does it mean that we're gonna get? I mean, if you look at March is terrible. It's a bad month for Bitcoin. So does it mean we're gonna have a good March?
Well, I guess so, because if we get down to 32% and beat this, yeah, yeah.
And then we have the sell in May and go away. Well, sell in February and go away because what the hell is gonna happen in May at this point? I don't know. But we have April is a great month also for Bitcoin on average, but I don't know. I mean,
It's over. Let's pack it in.
pack it in.
Yeah, it's done. It's
Pack.
done. It's Finished.
The bags.
Finished. Let's just go home.
It was nice.
It was a good run, man.
It was a good run.
Wow.
We'll have to find out
Exactly.
something to do, right?
Yeah.
So suggestions in the comments. Maybe we can open
we
a
effed
restaurant.
around and found out. Damn.
Feed Finder is always on the table.
Exactly. What do you guys think? Should I do OFans, right?
Only there is option. There is always option.
Exactly.
So
Exactly. Well, I don't feel like going back to McDonald's.
McDonald's. I'm gonna buy 2 McDonald's hats for the show.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
I'm loving it. Yeah, pack
Oh,
it in,
damn.
guys. That's it. It's over. It's over.
Damn, G.
But this is the test, right? So this is the test which is gonna show if you are a tourist or if you are not. So
Oh man, every
It is
time
what
we
it is.
degen into something. Oh man. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. Right?
all right, let me go.
Yesterday I went full degen with.
I've
hold on.
seen the show. Oh, yeah, sorry.
We need to
disclaimer.
disclaimer,
Disclaimers.
right? We need to explain to people, right? Unless you want to work at OF,
Yes. Which
unless you want to
still on the table.
exactly.
The Bitcoin price.
unless you want to work at McDonald's or Burger King or whatever, you may want to avoid some of the coins that we have purchased, right? If not all of them.
Yeah, all of them. Avoid everything,
And if you decide to buy something, right,
which you shouldn't.
and it goes to zero, whose fault is that?
Your fault, insurance.
Thank you.
Right. So don't do it. Just watch us doing it. We're taking one for the team.
Exactly. You see the comments.
Yeah.
They're telling us, God, please,
For the love of God, don't buy them.
Right?
Yeah, it's accurate, by the way.
But we will get lucky one day and secure our bloodline.
Bloodline. Yeah,
I
That's
get
the
that
plan.
feeling.
I feel it.
The bloodline security is coming,
It's gonna happen.
right? And you know what? It only takes one, right? Can you imagine if we catch that one, right? That
That's it. It's a hopium.
but
Preach, man. Preach.
Dare to dream. Dare to dream.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the hopium. So
Dare to dream. Okay.
exactly.
I know this dream's turning into a nightmare, but I'm dreaming anyways.
Yeah. Plus, we are telling you. It's just like we're not saying to do it. Actually, you shouldn't. But I'm feeling the hopium.
All right, so let's see what happened yesterday.
Okay.
We got this thing because we were like, ooh,
Mind chain.
Mind chain,
Network.
and it pulled us by the chain and rug pulled us.
Chain in your head.
Exactly.
Good to see you, Laura. Yeah.
How about this one? Oh, Hooters. See, Hooters is still alive.
I mean, I saw
There
about
it is.
Hooters.
Do you know what Hooters is? Because I'm sure you don't.
Yeah. It's the bar, no? It's the bar.
It's the restaurant.
Yeah, but I can't go in there. I'm not going
Well,
near there.
you can't go. You wouldn't want to go there now, anyways. Even if it was still running, because they went bankrupt. Do you know why
really?
they went bankrupt?
No.
Because they went woke.
Oh.
So then
Oh no,
they
I
have
don't want to go
like
there.
they have dudes
Oh,
dressed up
no.
as girls.
Oh no. No, I remember the old days where they had some of them were on skate, no?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
But now they have dudes.
Oh no, I don't
With
know.
balls
I
hanging
can't,
out.
oh no, I can't go. I was about to say, I know. Okay, now I can't. No, I don't want to see the balls. But pass. Thanks, but no thanks. But the old one, I remember. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. So now they're losing everything. Like, and they're wondering what they were actually had the balls to wonder what was going wrong.
Yeah. Like, why? There is dudes with wigs and balls around.
Yeah,
We should
exactly.
make millions.
Exactly. Clearly, that's what people want.
Yeah, 100%. Oh wow, I did not know that.
Yeah. So, anyways, this is I guess this is a testament to the once great Hooters.
Okay.
And do you know what the Hooters really stand for? It's not about about owls, right?
Yeah.
They got
It's just like a kind of a spelling exercise.
exactly.
Make Hooters great again. I'll say. Yeah. That's
So we got some, and it's it's reversed on us. So we're still good. We're still,
loving the comments. Look at this.
what?
The comment section is going.
Really? Oh my God.
You guys are the best.
Oh damn.
We're gonna go and check it out in Vegas, but not the one with the
No man, there's a new one. There's another one that I forget what it's called, but it has all these ladies as well. But anyways, if you guys, if you anyone is from America and they know what the other restaurant is that's doing better than Hooters, let us know so we can actually go there to Vegas if we.
Yeah. Go and check it out.
Yeah. Anyways, where is our Hooters, man? I could have swore we bought some. Let's see here. It was.
I mean, I approve
About
this, by the way.
yes.
I mean, not the balls, but I approve the meme.
We spent like $30 or something like that.
Okay.
And I don't see my Hooter. Well, maybe we sold it. We put the.
There.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
I was hoping we were up, but no. We sold half. That's why we sold half on the. Well, not yet, but we put it.
There's the
We put it in
nice.
the trigger. So.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
With that said, right?
There's space for this to go. So you got these two. Nice.
Yeah, exactly. So let's review some of these, see which ones are winners, and then.
Oh, Bretta is in the green.
I know. See, I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, you said it's gonna
I'm
pump.
telling you. Let's go to Bretta.
Okay. Because it does
'Cause
those
we were
things and it
supposed to.
pumps.
We should have got some more, man. We should have got more, but I was thinking.
Yeah, we'll have fun in Vegas. That's for sure. I love Vegas. Been there so many times.
Yeah, same here. But one time, oh my God.
Oh, we might got the double there, no?
No, we didn't because we bought low, right? But then we were hoping to get. We only bought 0.25, and we're hoping to get a little bit lower. But I'm FOMOing, dude.
You want to FOMO into Bretta?
Yes, dude.
I'm in. I like Bretta. Solid.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. It's it's I can't go back from this anyway. So. It is
So
what it
how
is.
much did we get? We got like we sold half on a double already on Bretta and got some money back.
This you go to one Solana, bam.
And then we are going one Solana. Screw that.
Yeah.
Man. I don't want. I want this to secure the bloodline.
Exactly, because here's the thing. Okay, hear me out. And I know this is the degen who comes in, right?
Exactly. But
if we go in like 25, 21, whether if we go in bang one Solana, because we have a long way to catch up where we started from.
exactly.
Right?
So there it is. We're gonna go, but we're still gonna sell half on that double. Man.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, man.
But then
We're not total degens. We're only partial.
When I get the prospect back, right?
We're only partial degens.
Yeah, 50% degen. That's for sure. And guys, remember to demolish the like button. That would be very nice for you to do so because it's gonna make us.
There's a saying in Chile. Soy weón media día no más. Right? I'm only idiot for half the day, and that's it. The other half can't fool me.
I like it.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
Jamal said bloodline unsecured. That's a good one.
Oh, damn. So we've got two Solana in this thing. So let's double up on that and do two Solana. If we could double up on two Solana, that would be, we'd put this at 5.
Ooh, okay.
Well, let's go
Gold is
4.8. There we go.
4.8, okay.
And then we'll call that the half. We'll go half on that. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a second. That's half already. Jesus. Okay, maybe we should. Damn.
Yeah, 80 or something?
Yeah, should we go this high? Let's see. What would that take us?
To the moon.
Wait a minute. Let's check to see if we have any open
Look
orders.
look how many times we completed them.
Yeah, and we completed some nice ones. Yes.
Yeah.
But I don't think. Do we have any new ones on Breda?
I don't think
so.
No, I don't think we do. No.
Yeah.
I think we just went in. We went for the jugular on that one.
Wow. So we've got 4 Bitcoin in Breda as it is. 4 Solana.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus. So if we were to sell right now, the max. Yeah, it'd be 4 Solana. So this is because we had doubled up the price. So
Yeah.
damn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, okay, we've gone degen into this thing, but also Solana's gone down massively because we've done some
Yeah,
good plays
exactly.
here. But
Interesting.
Brett has been just keeping us alive.
All right, so let's sell half of her, right? And
F48.
yeah.
Okay. So if we double, we're getting 4 Solana. Part A. Nice.
Okay, so this is not working, of course.
Sometimes online.
Yeah, it's sometimes online.
Yeah, if you think about this, though, the fact that the chain it doesn't work is perfect
Why is that?
because you're degening into like it doesn't supposed to be serious. Like the whole thing is supposed to be broken to begin with. It makes sense if you think about it. Like, why would you expect something to work when you are trading Bretta? You know what I mean? It makes sense. They are made for each other. It's perfect.
Damn. That's hilarious.
It's just like makes sense, right?
Kinda. But I feel my bloodline is not as secure as I would like it to be, but it will be. Will be.
Eventually.
Breda.
Eventually. Eventually she's gonna bring it.
Send it.
She's gonna bring it home. Send it.
Wow.
Okay, so what's happening? Oh, trenches are dangerous today.
I know exactly. I don't think I want to do the trenches.
What if you buy some altcoins?
No, what I wanted to buy, there was a particular coin that I was thinking of buying, not altcoins. Let's see here. Was it Punky? No.
Bonky.
We got gold.
Yes.
There's got to be like a major meme coins. Like, let's go on CoinMarketCap. Let's see if we can find some top meme coins.
We got what's it called? We got Weef. We got Bonk. We got Ponky. What else have we got?
Memes. Let's see here. How do we go to the top memes? All chains. Solana.
Oh, Trump. Yeah, Trump is one of the top ones. Can you believe it? Jeez.
By market cap. So this is set by market cap.
Weef. Oh,
look at this.
Japan.
SPX. Do we have WIF? We have WIF.
We have Weef. Yeah.
We don't have SPF.
I don't know.
SPX.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know. I think there was this influencer that created that, and it just went really well.
I don't know what that is, but yeah, we can.
Millennia, we have that.
AI16.
AI16. I don't think we have that one either.
Can you believe that one of the biggest meme coin on Solana is Fart Coin?
Really? Oh my gosh.
I can't even. I mean, Popcat. Yeah, we also have Popcat. I mean, Farcoin could be a good entry because it's gone down. It's gone down quite a bit.
Yeah, exactly. So let's. Do we have any? Do we have any of this stinker?
I'm not sure. I think we have other bat related coin.
Is there any searching
We
here?
have Battle. Yeah, you probably want to copy the.
There it is. Do we have this?
Oh yeah, we do.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
We do there. $19.30.
That's the price, right? Or no, we do have some, right?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. I think we bought some.
Okay.
I mean, not much. We probably bought point something, point 0.2, 0.1. Okay.
So you want to do the fart?
I think we should fart.
All right, then.
I mean,
farting it
I haven't
is.
seen the chart, but it's probably gone down.
Okay, let's look at the chart. Let's not go full degen just because it's like
Yeah,
because
we're doing-
it smells like fart.
If it looks like a fart, and it smells like a fart, it's probably a fart. I don't know if you gotta.
Looks like a fart. Smells like a fart.
It's probably a fart.
Oh damn! We're gonna have to find it.
Yeah, does thingy tells you the
Yes, it does.
market the address?
That's so bad, man.
I probably show the charts too. Okay. Actually, I mean, oh, yeah, there it is.
Come back.
Yeah. It's
Not a stinker anymore.
not a stinker. That's. I are in the trenches by farts.
Oh
That's
yes.
it. That's the way. Okay, good. You see how much it drops? It dropped.
Yeah.
So that's
We're buying-
fantastic.
We're buying the bottom, not the top.
Fantastic.
Fartastic. Hey.
Oh boy. I think we should go in like with this one, like big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ginormous.
Ginormous.
Fartastic.
I think we should go in heavy on this
Okay, I don't know about that, but let's do it.
one. I like it
Okay,
because this is going to retire bloodline. Those are
Can you
the
imagine if it does? How are you going to explain that to your family?
I imagine. So yeah,
So we got rich off of this coin called Fart Coin.
out on Jupiter. What? Yeah, on Jupiter we
Yeah.
found the fart coin and we made millions. Jesus, imagine, because honestly, I mean, unless you are a degen in the trenches, from far to riches. Exactly.
Oh, damn.
Oh boy. So the jokes are writing themselves. with this.
Exactly. Did we actually, we must have put a sell half on a double on this stinker.
I think it was a fart in the wind. We didn't do
Yeah.
it. I don't think we did that one.
This is why we're here. This is why we're here. This is why we're in the trenches, because it's too funny.
Exactly. I
It's
think
too
it's
funny
like,
for us to like not be making jokes here.
yeah, guys, we told you once I was at the we're downtown in a restaurant and I almost died.
Exactly.
So we had to do a show because
Yeah.
it was hilarious.
This is too funny.
Peppa Peep.
Peppa Peep.
Is it still up? Peppa Peep.
I don't know. Peppa Peep. We should give it a little love.
Then we reach how I bought Farcoin. Exactly. Exactly, guys. I mean, hey, that's if you can make someone laugh, that's the best thing you can do, right? So, and Da Vinci does it with me every day, so I'm very grateful. So having a laugh is the best thing you can do in life, man.
Exactly. Can't take
Especially
things
now if you look at the price
too
of Bitcoin.
serious, man.
Exactly. You want to have you want to have a laugh. Exactly. That's what memes are for, to have fun. I agree. I agree. I agree. That's what we're here for. As long as you do it responsibly, actually, you should not do it. You should actually watch us doing it. That's it. Just buy Bitcoin, guys. Don't buy none of these things.
So we got the trigger set
For the fart.
for this
It's the
stinker.
trigger for the fart.
Yes, the trigger for the fart. Yes.
On Jupiter. Clear.
Does playing on Jupiter make you stupider? I don't know.
But probably. So who's counting?
Oh damn. Okay. Well, here we are. We you know what? I think that's it. I think we gotta leave some reservations for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because the market is
Yeah, exactly. So if we go through too many,
the edge.
we're just not gonna run out. So let's call it.
Yeah, call it for the day.
All right. So
Now look at some
yeah,
questions.
let's get some questions. Yes.
Good morning from Germany. Good morning to you. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, so
Deutschland, Deutschland. Ooh, no, just kidding.
we're gonna have a meeting in Germany. Yes, the best medicine. I agree. Okay, so let's see if we have some questions, guys. If you have any questions, let us know in the chat. I've seen a few. Let me scroll up. Let me know if you see anything you like. A lot of jokes in the chat today. I like it. What day is it? Wednesday.
Yeah, it's Wednesday.
Hump day.
Yeah, exactly. But no questions.
Guys, put some questions in the chat because I have not seen many scrolling through.
Well, anyways, let me answer some questions for you. Unless you see anything, I'm gonna make up some questions for you guys to ask.
I'll look for some in the meantime.
All right. So, a lot of people, right, want to know how to get rich in this cryptocurrency space, right? I bet you everybody has that question,
Yeah.
right? And the answer is both simple and hard.
Is it Farcoin? That's not hard.
No, not Fartcoin. But it's simple as just you have to buy, right, Bitcoin, right, and hold, right. It is that simple, right? And you don't do anything else. You just keep buying Bitcoin, maybe $100 every week, right? And that's it.
DCA.
Nothing else. No matter what the price, you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. You keep doing that. You swallow. When you see the price go down, you just go, yeah, I'm buying $100 more. Price goes down again, I'm buying $100 more. Price goes up, I'm buying $100 more. Price goes up again, I'm buying $100 every week, no matter what. And although this is going to take some time, approximately 10 years,
Couple of cycles, yeah.
right? In the end, you'll be very well off, right? You'll be richer. You'll be probably richer than the top, rich as the top 10%, right? Or maybe more, maybe even more. But it's better than being in the lower, 99%,
Yeah.
right?
I
Or 90%.
We have some good questions, by the way, and a super chat. Thank you, Cybersecurity Matt. He says, is Waffle still going to 1 billion? Thank you for the super chat, by the way. Appreciate it.
We're trying to get it there. Don't know if it'll go, but we're working on it, right? We're hoping for another cycle, right? For another crypto meme cycle, and then once that is, we're gonna pump in a lot of marketing dollars. But we've got to wait until that cycle is clear.
Yep, exactly. A bunch of questions. Thank you guys for coming in with questions. Are we on a discount or in a bear market?
I'm a little concerned that it might be a bear market only because, we started off the market the fun a little bit early on Bitcoin. But with that said, Bitcoin does 30% retracements all the time. So it just might be just a time for us to do a little bit of a retrace, and then and then things will start to move higher.
Remember in 2017, guys, has gone 40% down.
It would help a lot. Yeah, it would help a lot if Bitcoin just went straight for the jugular this week and went straight to the 73 CME gap. Yeah.
Yep.
And then next week it was like, okay,
Done.
we're done. Back up again.
Yeah, that would be so simple, right?
Yeah.
That would be max pain.
Yeah, exactly.
And exactly, people, you guys are asking when the market is going to go up again. Well, I mean, technically, if the cycles are going to rhyme and or repeat in some ways, the top should be at the end of the year, October, September.
Exactly.
So we should see another pump before the end of the year.
Yeah,
but,
exactly.
I mean, I don't know. It's difficult to say.
Why don't I think the gold is there? Oh, it's simple.
Fort Knox, yeah.
Simple, right? If they had gold there, they would show it. They would audit it and go, "You dummies, got gold there," right? They wouldn't go. They wouldn't come out and go, "See, look, I got gold bars in my hand." That's not an audit. But I got the gold. Look.
I got the kit.
Right? Give you pictures.
Exactly.
Right? Cameos, right? Oh yeah, we got gold. That ain't gold. Anyways, I mean, come on.
Exactly.
Right? So and they would do a comprehensive audit of the people's money. That's like saying, yeah, we got your money, but we're not counting it. What?
Yep. Trust me, bro.
Yeah, trust me, bro.
That's the definition of trust me, bro. Right there. Hey,
Exactly.
both from Hong Kong. Your opinion when the top for the cycle, the super cycle coming? Yeah, we were just discussing it a second ago. It's difficult to say. I don't think the super cycle is going to kick in, but eventually we will break through the 4-year cycle, right? Top, I think, is going to be the end of the year. But
Yeah, I mean, we'll get a super cycle eventually because as the institutional players have to position themselves correctly first, right? They have to get into all these coins, like you see it happening with Trump buying Ethereum and pushing and saying, yeah, it's going higher, buy. So you could buy the top and they sell at the bottom because that's what most people will do. And so effectively, right? I think the market is doing this by the powers that be, so that you can buy and sell to them later on, so that once they're in position, right, they have a massive marketing machine and ideas and how to get to you guys to finally go, yeah, that's a great idea. When every one of y'all think it's a great idea,
it's not.
it's probably not. Right? And so that's coming, right? That's coming. That one day, when everything under the sun will be going higher in crypto. And it won't make any sense. And I think that's when we should be like, ooh, maybe we should take some off the table and buy something real, like gold. Right?
Makes sense. MM Master says, where do you store your Bitcoins? Ledger, Trezor, Jade, Ledger.
No, Treasure or what's it called? It's Keystone. Keystone.davincij15.com or treasure.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below.
Ledger in the bin.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
No, you don't.
Sorry, Ledger, but no.
No.
Not on today.
That they were participated in the hack of Bybit. So there you go. Right?
Yeah, no,
you
I
could say, oh, user error. But the screen was like this big.
Yeah,
How are they gonna see all this stuff?
Yeah, no. Plus, if you mess with my seed phrase and you want to shard it in 3 parts, I'm out. Like just for the idea, I'm out. I don't want to. No. Plus, it's not open source. There's a lot of bad stuff about Ledger. I am not a fan. Sorry, Ledger, but nope. Just Bitcoin, yes.
Just Bitcoin.
Yes. Just
Bitcoin because that's the guaranteed win, right? Everything else, not so much guaranteed, right? We can give you a coin that's probably gonna
Retire the bloodline.
help you retire the bloodline, probably, but no guarantees.
Yeah.
There's only a low probability. There's a probability, of percentage probability, but not like Bitcoin where it's 99.9. Whilst everything else, even Ethereum, is like far below that.
Yeah, I agree. It's you have Bitcoin and you have crypto. That's how I like to label it. It's different. Someone was asking about Veronica, meme coin on Cardano. Go and check if you have not seen it. We've done a fantastic video with Charles Hoskinson, founder and Cardano.
Yeah, they don't like meme coins there, but they should accept them.
There is a bunch, but it's not as many as on Solana.
Yeah, they should accept them. I think that's a big no-no, because here's the thing: the meme coins are attracting the user base, the average user, right? The dumb money, and that's where people will start to develop applications on Cardano for that dumb money, just like people are developing applications on Solana, right? Because people are there. That's it.
Yeah.
And that's all that matters for any chain, people have to use it so that the money flows.
Money flows, money goes.
All right.
Exactly. We have a few more if you want.
One more, and let's go. Call it.
Okay, do you think there is ever a world where Bitcoin mining costs become non-viable? What price impact would that have on the Bitcoin price? Mining stops, supply reduces? That's a good one.
No. Here's why. It's built into the system, right? So, for example, let's just say right now, mining costs are like crazy for a miner, right? They're losing money.
We've
right?
seen it was $95,000
Yeah.
to mine.
Depending on where you, of course, how much you're getting energy for and all that kind of stuff.
The energy.
And so, effectively, you have to, if this continues for long enough, you have to shut down. And when you shut down, the miners that are left, they get the profit. Right? And so it might take them, and the difficulty adjusts. So basically, if there's like 50% of the miners disappear, right? The difficulty adjusts by 50%. It's easier for those guys to mine, and then it becomes profitable. Yeah, a bit more profitable for them.
Okay.
And that's that.
Yeah, I guess it was designed with this in mind too, right? Scalability of also hash rate, right?
Exactly.
Nice.
All right. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did. How'd you like it?
Yeah, I love it, man. Thank you so much for having me on the show.
See you tomorrow.
It's a pleasure. Cheers.